Welcome to another episode of Food Tech Insights. This podcast is brought to you by SwiftMindanao Co. We are a trusted food technology consulting service, and we aim to help grow your food business through the latest innovations in the field of food technology. Relax, listen, and we hope you can learn something from this podcast. Let's start.
Ever get curious about the journey your food takes before it hits your plate?
I'm not just talking about the farm and the grocery store here.
Right.
What happens in between.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving into a company that's right in the thick of it all.
Okay.
Making sure things are running smoothly, safely. I'm talking about SwiftMindanao Co. over in Valencia, Bukidnon.
Oh, interesting.
They're like the unsung heroes of the food industry,
Yeah, I've heard of them. They're a registered company, right?
Exactly. Not just some fly-by-night operation. They're the real deal, bringing real-world food tech expertise to businesses.
Not just theory. They're all about practical solutions businesses can actually use.
Okay, so they offer a bunch of services, but the best way I can explain it is picture yourself at your favorite restaurant.
Okay, I like this.
You're about to dig into this amazing meal.
I'm with you.
First things first, you want to know that what you're eating is safe, right?
Of course.
That's where these guys, SwiftMindanao, they come in with GMP, GAP, and HACCP assistance.
The trifecta. Those certifications are like the gold standard of food safety.
Break it down for us.
All right, so GMP, it basically means your food is made in a clean, controlled environment.
Okay.
GAP is all about making sure the food is grown sustainably and responsibly, good for the planet.
Right.
And HACCP, that's where they pinpoint and minimize any potential hazards.
So you're not going to get sick.
Exactly. It's all about making sure you can enjoy your meal without worrying,
So that new dish you're about to try, that's where SwiftMindanao's product development expertise comes into play, right?
They don't just help tweak recipes.
Yes.
It's about coming up with completely new food concepts, thinking about the flavors, the shelf life.
Oh, shelf life. You know what gets me? When you find something in the back of the fridge
Oh, tell me about it.
and it's unbad.
That's the worst. But, imagine that on a business level. It's a huge deal.
And that's another thing SwiftMindanao tackles.
Big time. They do these shelf life evaluations to figure out the best way to store and transport food.
Makes sense.
Especially in Mindanao, keeping food fresh is so important.
Yeah,
They're helping to cut down on food waste and make sure there's enough food for everyone.
which is huge.
Absolutely.
Now, let's say you're thinking about starting your own food business.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. SwiftMindanao does this cool thing called business incubation. It's like a mentorship program,
Yeah, they give you resources, support, help you navigate those first few steps.
which can be super intimidating.
Totally. It's like they're nurturing the next generation of food entrepreneurs.
Okay, and now, for the stuff that might not sound as exciting but is super important behind the scenes,
Hit me with it.
regulatory compliance, systems manuals, production flows, all that jazz.
The backbone of the industry.
Seriously. Making sure everything runs smoothly.
Efficiently and safely, too. Can't forget that.
And to top it all off, they have these training programs to give people the skills to succeed in the food industry.
Which is constantly changing, by the way.
For sure. Always something new to learn.
It's amazing to see companies so dedicated to sharing their knowledge and building up the industry as a whole.
It really is.
So next time you're enjoying a meal, think about companies like SwiftMindanao.
The unsung heroes.
They're working behind the scenes to make sure your food is safe, delicious, and innovative.
It's a whole system we don't always see.
Right.
Okay.
I mean, who knew there was so much that went into it?
It's incredible.
Food for thought, right?
Definitely.
All right, that's it for our deep dive into SwiftMindanao. Until next time.